This Hirschi Realtors property video is presented by Sandie Hadsell. Freshly remodeled and absolutely stunning. Located on an extra large lot with so much room for parking. RV parking available as well. Walk in and find beautiful restored hardwood floors throughout with marble look tile in the entryway, kitchen and baths. Kitchen is a cook's dream with all new stainless steel appliances and a large center island adorned in butcher block. A park-sized backyard is ready for all the family fun. Great workshop in the back that could be a great man cave or she shed. For more information, review the details below or contact Sandie Hadsell at 940-692-8120.